So, hindi ko sana siya kukunin, guys. When Sammy said, you don't have to put lights in it. I said, okay. Good morning, mga ka-everything. Good morning. Today is, hindi ko alam. Friday ata, Friday ngayong araw. So, aalis kami. Kahapon hindi kami nakapunta sa Home Depot para bibili ng pinta. And plano ko bumili ng Christmas tree. Gusto ko puti na Christmas tree yung bibilhin ko, guys. Kaso, tignan natin kung alin yung maganda. Kung yung puti ba is magtatagak-tagak ba yung dahon. Yung parang yung puti ba parang mawala ba. Mga ilang years. Ayaw ko ng ganun. So, tignan natin. So, guys, may bagyo na naman. And pangalawang beses na itong bagyo na naano sa Louisiana, Texas. Yun, naghihintay lang ako dito. And yun. Kita nyo naman. Sinuot ko yung binili ko sa Walmart na parang corduroy. And yung sapatos ko sobrang laki, di ba? Nag-deliver ng sa propane kanina doon, gas para sa fireplace. Sabi man ni Tami 100 something daw. Yun, katatapos lang naligo ni Tami. Huwag natin ipakita kasi magagalit yan. Bakit pinakita mo? Kubad ako. It's fine, love. It's fine. Nagmamadali. Kawawa naman itong baby ko. Han, matakot ka na ngayon kasi yung Home Depot is paborito ko na. Usually sabi ko, I don't like Home Depot kasi gusto ko doon tayo sa mga makeup na tindahan. May mga makeup, ganun sabi ko. So ngayon, sabi ko matakot ka kasi gustong-gusto ko na yun ngayong Home Depot. Somebody's enjoying my bin bag, guys. And look at his body. His body fits in that hole. Hi, guys. So ngayon, guys, nag-change yung busis ba? Hi, guys. Ito talaga yung problema ko. Kami. Always talaga siya late. Always talaga may gagawin. Always talaga. Always. Alam nyo, guys, pag magkasakit, hindi naman, yung mga pakiramdam namin ni Tami lately, hindi siya yung parang yung symptoms sa COVID. Siya, sa weather, nag-change ang weather. All the time ako ganito, pag fall, pag spring, ganon, yung naramdaman ko. Si Tami din, paminsan si Tami magkasakit talaga yan. Especially, spring. Siya, yung pollen allergy. Yun yung problema kay Tami. Si Tami sa allergy, yung mga dust, kahit anik-anik, yung especially spring talaga. Doon si Tami talaga magsasuffer.
Your first answer, I did.
That's my question that's my answer all the time.
I know that.
I did, I know.
I know, I'm sure. It's your fault, it's not my fault.
Honey.
I'm used to it. I know how this works. These fucking buttons.
What's wrong with your buttons?
They're too small. They
Can
keep
you
popping.
just get rid of that shirt?
No,
or
just
just
put new
work
buttons.
it?
Hey, Kimmy, I like this friggin' shirt.
You do?
Yes.
Okay, then we have to put a bigger button like your ear.
You have it in here. Where's the box?
It's over there. I have to wash it before using it. I have to wash it.
Yeah, machine wash will. No, it doesn't say 99%. That must be the other one, the paper one.
Maybe the... Well, you know what, honey?
Go ahead, what?
You ruin it.
I ruined your memory. Now I
You
did
feed
that.
me a lot of steak.
You know what? Just call
preserve burn.
Just call me Trump. I did everything.
Christmas tree, pagsagit na walay panty, nahulog ang iyang
Say,
panty.
Christmas tree in your panty? What?
I was thinking of How's Your Sex Life and the movie title. I'm gonna do Deep Blue Sea. Okay guys, andito na kami sa Los. Yup, nagpa-park lang kami. And Tammy is brushing his hair. that even strong?
Not like the Weber.
Yeah. Not good.
No, I'll pay the extra $300 to get a Weber.
No, you have a good one, honey. Huh? Why this one is 800? This one, the second one.
Lower power.
The wheels.
Yeah, tractor wheels. I
Nice.
actually like that.
That's nice.
Oh, look at this half price.
How much?
This is $5.99. It used to be $1,200.
This one?
And this one.
Really? Nag-change yung mind ko, guys. I don't know kung bibili ako ng Christmas tree or what. Oh, maganda ito. Oh, $6. Oh, I like this. Christmas decor, ay. Iba't ibang Christmas decor. Ito, oh. 15 bucks. So, anyway, guys. Bibili sana kami ng Christmas tree, diba? Nag-change yung mind ko. Hindi ko alam kung bibili ako or what. Ay, nako. Hindi ko alam. Ang ganda kasi ng Christmas tree. I'm following you. You don't like the thin one? Huh? Can I touch it? Maybe. Itatouch natin, guys, kung halahan, I can't fit here. Matatanggal siya, guys, pero kailangan mo talagang bunutin para matanggal. So, okay naman. I think that's okay. 300 bucks. Ang taas naman yan, oy. Oh, there's another one over there. With that ball thingy.
Yeah.
That's a really tall one, hun. It's taller than what mom. No, mom is 7.2. Oh, 6.2. So, let me see. There is another one over here. Ito siya, oh. Look, yun siya dyan. I don't know. Ito to na. Gusto ko to. Oh, pero si Tami, ayaw niya. Maliit lang ba? Yan. Hindi mataba. I'm curious where they don't have it. Seriously? You get the tree.
You want to make a tree?
It smell like a tree?
Dang, this one's a tree.
Really? How much is it?
I don't know.
Even now, forget it. So, hindi ko sana siya kukunin, guys. When Tammy said, you don't have to put lights in it. I said, okay. That's so freaking weird.
Something like underneath.
No, that's ugly. Yeah, it's crazy. Ang daming Christmas decor. And we get the tree. So, napagasto. Ito yung hinahanap namin. Hindi namin mahanap. I think wala sila, guys. Oh, it's right there. Meron pa pala. Wala. Hopefully it'll fit. No. You think it will fit? Slowly, Tommy. You're like... Okay, guys. Sumbi po na naman kami. What?
I'm trying to figure out why I'm going in with you to buy a little tiny can of paint.
Yeah, well, you go with me. Kasi, guys, walang ano... Wala silang walang kuryente. Walang ano yung loss paint. So, yan. Sabi pa ni Tommy, hindi daw maganda. Ay, pangit nga. Pangit yung Christmas tree nila dito. Ay, meron namang okay, oh. Ito, oh. Same price. Ang pangit nga. Ang pangit.
Over there.
No, it's right here. Ito yung binili namin, guys. Ito yung binili ko, guys, sa ano, Home Depot. Okay, let's eat the freaking Taco Bell. Let's go home. Thank God I told you to buy it. Jesus Christ. Ilagay ko lang tong nilabhan nating tablecloth. Buti na lang, hindi kami kumakain dito palagi. Kasi, itong asawa ko is, ako din, maano din ako. Palaging may nahuhulog. Ito guys, bumili kami nito. This one. Merong mataas ito. Ito, ganito. Buti na lang nakikita ako ng short. Hi, nosy cat. Hello, nosy cat. May brown ba yun or itim? Meron sila. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko. Kaya, yun, binili. This is 12 bucks. And, what's up, Bob? And then yung isa is, ano siya, 14 bucks yung mataas. Higher ba? Like this. Han. Honey. Okay guys, ito na siya guys. Look, maganda siya guys. Ito yung ano ni Vienna, sobrang ganda. May bulaklak pang lumabas, look. I think it was 2, but where's the other one? Akala ko dalawa yung lumabas. And dito yung isa, nilagay ko siya dyan. Kasi maarawan siya dito, and then maarawan din doon. Ang problema lang, kailangan kong i-ano itong ganyan ba para papasok yung anek. So dito parang flat kasi hindi siya naarawan. Dito more, kung saan pala yung araw, doon yun papunta yung dahon. Yun pala yun siya. Alam nyo yung mga eggplant ko at saka mga anik-anik dito, I think itapon ko na sila. Kasi hindi sila talaga gumagana. Ito, ayaw kong mamatay. So, I think dalhin ko to sa basement. And then ito, ang saya. Iwan ko. Masaya siya. Meron pa tayong seedling, hindi na mamatay. Masaya siya, yung isa hindi. Andun siya yung isa. Yun yung first coat niya guys. So, ito siya kasi, itong klaseng furniture kapag itim, kailangan mo siyang pinta, yung 3 times. Ito yung first coat. Second coat na naman. Kasi may makikita ka pang dark yung wood. And, ito yung Christmas tree na binili namin. Look. Dito muna nilagay kasi hindi pa siya pwedeng ilagay. Sabi pa ni Tami, hindi pa daw pwede. So, yun. So, dito muna nilagay sa mga kalat. Yan. Minix. Paanuhin ko lang siya palang i-dry. And then, second coat na naman. Yan. Hindi ko kung anong ilagay ko dyan. Pero yan. Decoration. Decoration original tandok. Okay guys. Nasa second coat na tayo. So, ngayon, dahil second coat na yan, I need to let that dry. Kailangan lang siyang i-dry ng maayos. And then, yun, baka bukas ng umaga, continue tayo, di ba? You see, mama. Aguroy. Let's go. Aguroy. Okay. Ay, he's playing. He's playing some solitaire. What file? I have to let it dry, second coat. And then the third coat will be third coat. Okay. I'm thinking what we're gonna eat for dinner. So I came in here. That's why I came in here. Okay? Kain lang kami ng, mag-ano kami ng unang dinner, guys. Oh, did you hear what Pelosi said? Si Tommy, guys, may pimples dito. I told him. And then suddenly, he ran to the bathroom. And he freaked it. He just like squeezing it. Now it's red, big. And then over here, I have pimples here. It hurts. He kind of like do it. And did you remember how many times na sinasabi ko sa inyo siya ang dahilan kung bakit nagka-scar dito? Pimples to, guys. Pimples. Ginanon niya, guys. Nagka-scar talaga. Tignan nyo itong si Habs, guys. Nag-enjoy talaga sa beanbag. Oy. Habs. Oh my God, the face. The face. Ay, Jesus, Ginoo ko, Lord. Jesus kisses. Komportable naman talaga ito din. Guys, pasensya na kayo ha. Pabalik-balik lang itong damit ko. What are you doing here? The birdies. It's like you're looking at them. You're crazy. Dahon, maraming dahon. Yep. This leaves is not down yet. Not yet.
Oh yeah.
Huh? You see that, guys? It's so colorful. Yan. The trees. Yung mga kahoy din sa
I
taas.
think you should put lights on that tree.
Tiny one. It's not even just this time. That stick. Two stick. And then you kind of you do this like this. And then do that. My husband is having hard time. You're breathing, hanba. It's already 8:30, guys, and I'm going to end the vlog. But before I'm going to end the vlog, let's check the yung pinintalan ko kanina. Pinipaint ko kanina. Okay, lock ang lock yung door. So, ito na siya. I think okay na siya. I think kailangan kong one coat dito sa taas. Dito sa gilid, ganon. And then, i-check ko sa mga ilalim dyan. Yan, okay na siya. Okay man siya, di ba? Ano sa tingin niyo, guys? Ang ilagay ko lang dyan is lang. Ilagay ko somewhere, and then lagyan ng bulaklak sa gitna. So, ito yung ginamit ko, chalk. Sabi pa niya, gamitin mo yung chalk. At saka maraming klase doon. Well, actually, dalawa. Itong beer at saka yung may isa pa. So, matte siya, guys. Ang finish niya is matte. Ito siya. And then, marami decorative paint. Yun. So, maganda naman siya. Hindi siya sticky, which is really good. I just need to kind of like finish it tomorrow. In ko na po itong vlog. Naligo ako kanina para naman presko yung pakiramdam natin sa buhay-buhay, di ba? Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much as usual for watching. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good night.